We will reduce this number by
1.
1. Let's subtract 1 from this. How much are you going to get? 5,
5624.
2, 4. Next step is
9.
subtract 5 from 9. How much are you going to get?
4.
4 I'll write here. Next step is 6 I'll going to subtract from 9. How much are you going to get?
3.
3 I'll write here. Next step, let's subtract 2 from 9. How much are you going to get? 7 I'll write here. Last step is
9
subtracting this 5 from 9. How much are you going to get?
4.
4 I see, right? But I won't give 4. Rather, what are you going to give? Just add 1 to that 4. Like increase by 1. How much?
5.
5. That's it. Clear any confusion?
No, sir.
More such tricks, apply them to an academic problems and make mathematics easier. Join us.